Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're fine. I'll complete what I explained last session about Unit 10. Welcome to my home, Lesson 2. I'm going to explain there was and there were. There was and there were. There was معناها كان يوجد. There were كان يوجد. There was with singular noun. مع الاسم المفرد. There was singular noun. Singular noun, it can take a or an. A before word started with consonant, but an with a word that started with vowel, like orange, oven. There was with a singular noun, like there was a sofa in the living room. Sofa, singular noun, so it takes was. There was an orange, orange, singular noun, so it takes was. Orange started with vowel like O, so it takes an. There was an orange on the table. There was a storm yesterday. There was an oven for bread in the kitchen. We also use there was with uncountable noun. Uncountable noun. الأسماء التي لا تعد. Like what? Juice, rice, water, information, news, soup, soap. Yes. So it takes some. Before uncountable noun we use some. نستخدم some على الأسماء التي لا تعد. There was some uncountable noun. There was some rice in the dish. Rice, uncountable noun. So it takes there was. There was some water in the bottle. Water, uncountable noun. So it takes some and there was. There was some information. Information, uncountable noun. So it takes there was. We use there was with singular noun and uncountable noun. We use there was with singular noun and uncountable noun. But we use there were with plural noun. There were with plural noun. But before plural noun we use some. So some comes before uncountable noun and plural noun. It doesn't come before singular noun. ما بتجيش قبل الاسم المفرد، لكن بتيجي قبل uncountable noun and plural noun. There were some taps. There were some boats. There were some bedrooms. There were bedrooms. We can say it without some. In negative sentence, we put not after was or were. So when we negative it, we put not. So there wasn't, there wasn't, there wasn't a or an singular noun, or there wasn't any uncountable noun. There wasn't a or an singular noun. قبل الاسم المفرد بنحط a or an في الجملة المنفية، ولكن مع uncountable noun الأسماء التي لا تعد بنحط معاها any. There wasn't a or an singular noun, but there wasn't any uncountable noun. Like what? زي ايه؟ تعال كده نشوف. There wasn't any juice in the glass. Juice, uncountable noun, so it take was. When we negative it يبقى wasn't. With negative sentence we use any before uncountable noun. قبل الاسم الذي لا يعد بنحط any. There wasn't a chair in the kitchen. There wasn't a chair in the kitchen. A chair, singular noun, so it takes a. But with plural nouns we use there weren't. There weren't any. Any before plural nouns. قبل الأسماء الجمع بنحط any. there weren't any plural noun. Like, there weren't any bedrooms, there weren't any chairs, there weren't any tables, there weren't any cars in the street, there weren't any taps in ancient Egypt. So we must remember that we use any with negative sentence and questions. We use any with negative sentence and question. Like what? Do you have any pencils? Was there any salt? Salt, uncountable noun, so it takes was. Were there any bedrooms? Bedrooms, plural nouns, so it takes were. Remember and don't forget, افتكروا ما تنساش, we put a or am before singular noun, but some before uncountable noun and plural nouns. We use any in negative sentence and questions. Let's answer